Picture this. You're riding the highway in your beloved car. In front of you, only sunset and the broad horizon. Behind you, only wind and a free and empty space. And the only sound that you hear is a strong, powerful, but also soothing sound of engine. Think about that sound. The sound of engine. And now think about the sound of Enjin Coin in the crypto space. And we are talking about that right now, today. Also, we are making a price prediction for 2021 and looking, like always, at the overall crypto space. So please, if that interests you, stick around, because the dinosaur will roar. Before we get into the real matter, please send me some love, and you know the type of love I'm talking about. Subscribe to the channel, click that little red box. After you watch the video, if you like it, click the like button, because it will help us reach the broader audience, and it will help me support this channel in the long term. So please do that. If you want to donate the dinosaur tip with cryptos, links are in the description. And okay, if you don't want to do any of that, watch the video, because great things are ahead of us. First of all, I want to mention XRP. It seems like it started to move again. The volatility came back in, 16.28% to the upside today, currently standing at 44 cents. We talked a lot about XRP on this channel, so be absolutely sure to check out these videos. Cardano, an interesting percentage to the upside, 9.99. Sounds like a price, right? Do you want to buy Cardano? Only 9.99% to the upside, 47 cents. If you do, well, we got a video on those also. We made a price prediction just a few days ago for 2021. Check it out. And if we are making honorable mentions, well, we can go past 0x, 63.51% to the upside, just in the last 24 hours, $1.27. Congrats to the 0x holders. Some coins are really starting to move. And now, the moment you'll be waiting for. I think it's time we turn on that engine, head to the charts, fly away. Weekly chart of Enjin Coin versus US dollar. So every candle that you see on the screen is 1 week. And I must say, before we get into action, beautiful chart, a beautiful example from the technical analysis perspective. Enjin Coin, as you can see, is at its all-time highs, and for the past 2 weeks the one is starting to break the levels of the all-time highs. You can see what is going on right here, right? There's some bigger science behind it. We're just fighting to get over our last landmark before we come into the price discovery into the new territory, where the prices will rise at full speed. So Enjin Coin is pretty bullish if you ask me. But this level of the all-time highs is not the most important levels. The most important level for Enjin Coin is broken, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm talking about 22 cents. This was the big resistance. I think I don't need an explanation why. Look at this resistance in the 2019 and look at this resistance in 2020. Fortunately, the one was broken just the month ago. Now, if we go to the downside, you now have the target, 22 cents. I think this one will never again be broken, if you ask Enjin Coin and if you ask me. So this area is the area where the battles could be made. We fought our battle of 22 cents. We won. We are now fighting the battle of 43 cents. Will we won that? I think we will. and pretty soon, if you ask me. If Enjin Coin was strong enough to break those levels, it wouldn't be no problem to break the level that made just 2 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention, just 2 weeks, the 2018, January of 2018. So we really haven't touched this level many times. Once again, I'm stating, it shouldn't be big of a problem. From the beginning and from our bottom in 2018, we are supporting on this line. Of course, at the times, we breached it, but this was our support. This was our huge ascending triangle, a pretty bullish formation, which, as you can see, now is breaking to the upside as expected. You can see that we made a constant pressure into this resistance that we could now serve as a support. If we go down, will we go down? I don't know, we'll see. But as I said one more time, it won't be long before we breach this level of 43 cents, because we only lived 2 weeks in 2018 at these levels. Not so much resistance. Volume, you are seeing it right. The size of this candle is dwarfing, I mean literally dwarfing, anything in front of it. No bigger volume by any means in Enjin Coin. And this was just 2 weeks ago, where the buying power, an extreme buying power came in. And be sure, this extreme buying power in this candle will be the one that breaking all-time highs. Now I can plot you on this picture 10, 20, 50, 100 moving average, and they are all below a current price. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a bullish setup. But what is awaiting us after we break those all-time highs? Well, that is the price prediction you were waiting for, right? That is why I clicked on this video. I tend to deliver whatever I say in my title. This will be the case with the Enjin Coin also. For that price prediction, we will remove everything from the screen, because it is irrelevant. You got a picture. And for that price prediction, we will use my favorite tool, and that is Fibonacci. We will make a reverse Fibonacci. We will use this high of 2018, and we will use this low of 2018 also, like our biggest down leg. We will connect them like this. There we go. We got our answers. They are all laying on the screen right now. But no, those are not the answers. Those are the levels that we already surpassed. Those are not pretty interesting to us. What is interesting to us is in the future. Let's go on the journey to the future, into the space, to see what the future is holding and what the technicals are showing us. We came right where we wanted. Those are the levels I'm interested in. I'm telling you, right now, as we stand at 37 cents, that maybe pretty soon we will surpass 161.8% extension, 77 cents. We will surpass 124 at 261.8% extension, 361.8% extension at $1.71. And ladies and gentlemen, I present you $2 at 423.6% extension. Yes, you heard that right. And you are hearing it probably here first time for the Enjin Coin. I'm telling you that this year, the same year that we are right in right now, Enjin Coin will be worth $2. Now you can agree or disagree. It's a free world. Do what you want. I'm telling you that since our all-time highs are around what we said, 48 cents. Quite frankly, $2 doesn't look so big before we get to those levels. There are not too many obstacles. I think we will keep an eye on this exciting coin, Enjin Coin, because it is a pretty bullish one. You can hold me by my word, $2. And let's talk about this in a few months' time, when we surpass this $2, where we go into even higher numbers, into even more price discovery. Because I don't think that Enjin Coin will stop at these levels. I think it will surpass these levels. But those are firm levels that technicals showed us. Let's not be greedy for now. Let's talk about $2. Also, I think it's time we talk about you liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and everything related with the love that you are sending right now, okay? The dinosaur is thankful. And if you want to watch other videos from this dinosaur, please check out one of these. They could be pretty good. Maybe you laugh at it. Maybe you find words of wisdom. But you'll have your way. And now, back to the car. Let's start that engine and ride into the sunset.